this video, we need to determine what the x-intercepts are. And the x-intercepts, we can set y to 0 because y will be 0 when the axis is being intercepted. And we're going to name the values a, b, and c. And we have a equals 1, b equals -5, and c equals 4. And then we're going to use the quadratic formula, which is -b. First time we're going to use plus b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and then -b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we're going to have a -5 plus the square root of a -5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Same thing over here, except for it's going to be minus 5 minus a -5 squared. This needs to be up high. Minus 4 times 1 times 4 all over 2a. -5 is 5 plus the square root of 25 minus a -4 times 1 times 4 is going to give you a -16 over 2 times 1. Put a 1 there. 2 times 1. And then the same thing's going to happen over here, but it's going to be 5 minus 25 minus 16 over 2 over 1, the square root of 25 minus 16. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to finish these out because I ran out of room. But 5 plus the square root of 25 minus 16 is 9 over 2. The square root of 9 is 3, so that's 5 plus 3 over 2, which is 8 over 2, which is 4. And then this one is 5 minus the square root of 9 over 2, which is 5 minus 3 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which equals 1. So the y-intercepts, the x-intercepts